What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. I'm Alexa and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on my curly hair routine slash my hair routine after I take out like my faux locks or my box braids or whatever. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So I hope you enjoy. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Also hit that notification bell. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm just going to take it down. I didn't really trim. I kind of just dusted my ends a little bit, because they were really dry and it was basically time for me to do that anyways. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask, and you guys can take a screenshot if you want to. And I'm gonna rub that in the palm of my hand and then basically focus it on my ends up, since my ends are really dry right now. Now that a generous amount of this is on my hair, I'm gonna leave it in for 7 minutes. It's currently 12:04 in the afternoon, so I'm gonna leave it in for 7 minutes and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I washed out the hair mask. So now I'm gonna go in with some conditioner. And this is the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Fortifying Conditioner with aloe extract, and it is silicone free and paraben free. So if that's important to you, then check it out. I think what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of the Cantu leave-in as well. So yeah, let me go get that. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of Cantu, rubbing that in my hands. I'm gonna work it through the top of my hair to the bottom. And this is the shea butter leave-in. my life. And now I'm going to take a little bit of the Wild Growth hair oil. Excuse me. And now I'm gonna take this Tangle Teaser. If you have a Denman brush, this will work too. And just comb the product through my hair. Okay, now that that is all combed through my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections. I'm just taking this big comb. I should probably use a rat tail comb, huh? Okay, oh, here's one. Just gonna wipe it off. I do have a slight widow's peak, so sometimes it's hard for me to actually really part my hair down the middle, but you know, I make it work. now that we're basically at the top of my head slash front of my head, we're gonna be working in a little bit smaller sections. But before we do that, I'm just gonna do the underside of my hair. Now that we're at the top of my head, I'm gonna go get myself a hard brush. Okay, here's the brush that I'm gonna be using for the top of my head. Excuse me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a section, split that in half. Actually, no. I think I'm gonna keep that together. Flatten out the top. Okay, so now that all of my hair is finger coiled, I'm going to let it dry most of the way, and then I'm gonna separate these curls. Okay, so after an eternity of waiting for my hair to dry, I know that's my own problem. Gonna go ahead and separate.
Wow. Of course the rude, right?
Rude. As I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and separate some of these curls. Okay, so this is the finished outcome of my hair. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you are not already subscribed and notified. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.